Hi guys, welcome to IoT series tutorial part 2, in which I am going to show you how you can send or receive data between mobile phone and Raspberry Pi using MQTT broker and client software. So here I am using Visor software to display my screen, so you will be able to understand how you can configure MQTT dashboard in your mobile phone. So this is the MQTT dashboard application which I already installed, and you can also install using the Play Store. So first you will have to create the connection. You can specify device names. So I am specifying IoT. You will have to specify server. So this is the server which I already installed onto the Amazon Web Services, and it is running Ubuntu 16 and also MQTT broker. And you will have to specify the port address of the MQTT, so which is 1883. You can specify different port number also, but 1883 is the default port number. And you can also specify the username and password if you want to encrypt your data. Click on create. So here you can see it is connected. So just I will show you how you can subscribe or publish the data. So click on subscribe and click on this plus button. So I'm just going to subscribe topic bulb 1. Click on create. So now I subscribe the bulb 1 topic. So from here you can go to Raspberry Pi board. So just I am repeating, I already prepared the video how you can access or how quick you can set up your Raspberry Pi board with your PC. So here just I am using my Linux Ubuntu machine to send the message to on the bulb 1 topic. So I am sending one on bulb 1 topic. So here you can see I received one. If I send here 444, so you can see I am receiving here 444. So in this way the subscriber and client works with MQTT protocol. You can also publish a message from here. So just click on publish text, select, sorry guys, this is just an ad. You can specify topic, PIR, or maybe buzzer, and then create. So in this topic I will have to subscribe. So if I subscribe buzzer, and if I send here hello buzzer, something happened wrong with this. Okay, so here you can see I'm receiving hello buzzer. So if you remove this V option, V flag, so then you will receive only the message. It is also displaying the topic name, so hello buzzer. So I hope you understand how the MQTT is working between mobile phone and any Linux box. So in the next video I'm going to show you how you can control your home appliances like bulb or fan and buzzer on Raspberry Pi board over the internet and from anywhere and from any location. So thanks for watching this video.